Hello and welcome to today's episode on Sketch with Pearl Naomi. Today I'll be teaching you on how to draw a male fashion croquis in a very easy, direct and simple manner. Let's dive in. Let's begin by drawing a straight line. So let's divide the line in 8 different segments. It is believed that a male croquis is 8 head tall. So for this particular tutorial, we will be making use of the head style. I'm sure you are very conversant with that kind of style. If you check YouTube, you see so many styles on head for female croquis, head styles like how to draw female croquis using 9 heads, 8 heads and what have you. But for this tutorial, I'll be making use of that same style also in a very different format. So just watch closely and listen attentively to all instructions. Alright, so now I've drawn a straight line and I'm going to be dividing into 8 segments, 8 heads. Alright, so I'm going to be dividing it by 3.5 centimeter. So 3.5 centimeter, right? So we go all the way down. We go all the way down. Go all the way down. So this should be about 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, at this end here, I'm going to draw a straight line. At the other head here, I'm going to draw a straight line faintly. So this here is for the head. The first segment is mainly for the head region of the male croquis. So I'm just going to come down a little bit and mark out my shoulder. I'm going to be making it 6 centimeter. So 3 centimeter at one side and 3 centimeter at the other side. Which makes it 6 centimeter. Alright, so this is what I do. So after that, I come to the next head here. Okay, let's number for ease. Let's number. This is 1. Faintly. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7, and this is 8. Alright, so I've drawn this for my shoulder. Then I will come to number 3 and mark out about 3.5. That's 1.75 at one end and 1.7 at the other end for my waist. Yes, so this is 3.5. Alright, let's make it pronounced. Then I'll come back to number 4. And what I do with number 4 is that I mark out 4 centimeter. That's 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. So. Alright, so this is 6 centimeter, this is 3.5 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. So I mark out the head region also. I make it 1.5. I make it 3 centimeter rather. Sorry, 1.5 at one end and 1.5 at the other end. Why did we divide the line into two? I said it before that humans are bilaterally symmetrical. So what we have at one end is the same thing at the other end. So I just draw down, down. So that's that. So this is how I go about the rest. I just bring this, join it with this, bring this, join it with this, bring this, join it with this. Oops. Bring this, join this with this. Then I come down a little bit. I come to number 6 and I draw a circle, a medium sized circle. I come down a little bit underneath my hip and I give a mark that represents my crush and draw a line down. From that crush I bring another line down. Now, then I bring it down. So that's what I've done. Then I come below this place and give a small circle. Alright, so give another line down, give another line down, give another line down, give another line down. Then I give it the feet. Just watch me closely. I draw a long V, not too long. Alright, so I just slant it that way. I do the same thing for the other side. I just slant it. That way. Alright, so I come here also. I give more like a circle and bring this down. Then from this line, I bring it down also. I do the same thing for this side and bring it down. Down. Then I come down a little bit and give another smaller circle. That's for my wrist. I bring it down. I bring this down. 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 Okay, so I give a kind of clawed finger. I draw a more like clawed finger. Alright, after I've done that, I give shape to the head. It's kind of boxy, kind of. Unlike the female croquis that has curves all around, this does not have has kind of a boxy kind of shape. So I give a small circle, more like a socket here. Then this is what I do. I bring this down and I do the same thing for the other end. Down. So alright, that's the Adam's apple down there. So, of course, have you ever seen a male just like this? No, this looks more like a robot. So this is what we do. We give it muzzles. So you just come here, give the ham muzzle, do the same thing. If you notice, I did not start it from the wrist. So from here, take it in a little and bring it out. Meet it at that point. Alright, so you do the same thing for this. Yeah, so give it in, give, yes, and do the same thing. Just, yes. So you do the same thing for the leg region. Do it such that alright, then come here. Yes. Give this. Come here. Do a little one here. Do this. Do a little one here. Alright, so let's clean up. Let's clean up this lines. Alright. Let's define the hand. Let's make it more defined. See how easy it is. Alright, so this is our male croquis. We've been able to achieve the shape, so it's easy to get it dressed. Subsequent video, I'll be teaching on how to draw the head of a male croquis. Draw the features of the head, the eye, the nose, the eye, the mouth and the hair, and also the hair on the head of the croquis. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Please click the like button, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Bye.